After you've perfected your markup tool sets, you'll want to save and reuse them to ensure a consistent, personalized experience across all your projects and devices. You can export tool sets or integrate them with your review profiles, so standardized, customized tools are always at hand. To export a toolset, from the Tool Chest panel, click Manage Toolsets. Highlight your customized set and choose Export. Then, specify the location on your computer or network to save the .btx file to. This process builds a portable file you can share with colleagues, upload to a network drive, or import on another machine. If your team is distributed or your environment is complex, use shared drives or cloud storage to distribute .btx files. All users just import the set from their own tool chest management window. Toolsets marked as shared will have a small lock symbol for attendees, depending on their access, indicating their origin and controlling edit permissions for all who use that version. For a complete portable setup, including your toolsets, display preferences, column setups, and custom statuses, export your entire review profile. Go to the Review drop-down at the top of the application, hover over Profiles, then select Manage Profiles. Choose your active profile, click Export, and save the profile locally or on your server. Transferring this file to another device or sharing it with teammates imports all your personalized settings in one go, making onboarding and collaboration effortless. You can also import toolsets and profiles in reverse, bringing shared assets into a new environment, or restoring settings after a software update or system change. Whenever you receive an updated toolset from a project lead or a shared standard set from your organization, use the Add button in the Manage Toolsets dialog to browse and activate new resources. By saving profiles and exporting toolsets efficiently, you eliminate time-consuming setup, reduce inconsistencies, and ensure every session starts with the right tools for the job.